what you think I am, but of course, I am simply what I am, and that difference makes me beautiful. I'm from Cebu City at naniniwala ako sa isang kasabihan that the men of today are the women of tomorrow.
Ang galing! Parang Miss Gay, gusto mo pa ng kasabihan? Gusto niyo ba?
Isa pa. If the say is as easy as to know what is good to do, chapels would have been built churches and poor men cottages, princess palaces. I stand foursquare in the conviction that we gaze of the ultimate power to alter this universe into a happier and merry one. That's the reason why we are called one. Good evening, ladies and specimen. My name is Wendell at naniniwala ko sa isang kasabihan na ang baklang ang bibig na may kulani na kasubo ng Pakistani.